What's up, guys? It's Vinny from the Wrap Factory, and we are here at Quality Boats doing something a little bit different. This is a boat we've already wrapped, and we are back to unwrap it. Done. We're gonna hit the other side. Gotta take some glue off, but you can see, and this is what we started with. And that's it. This boat got a wrap to be sold. The wrap came off to be resold, and the clear coat, the gel coat, it looks just as beautiful as the day this boat first came in our hands. Protect your investment and wrap your boat. Call the Wrap Factory today. We'd love to help.